My name is Velvelyn. Before I came to Wheeler, I had been in an addiction of heroin for over 35 years. I had actually been in and out of the homeless shelter for a period of 13 years, being on the streets and in and out with addiction and my addiction problems, in and out of jails, and that was the lifestyle that I lived. And right before I came to Wheeler, I had just really reached rock bottom. I was working a job and for about 3 months prior to that, and I had lied to my boss and told him about that I needed some time off, and I was off for a week. And the day that I was to return to work, I just decided that I'd had enough of living that lifestyle, because I was just at bottomed out, just really rock bottom, nowhere to go, just desperate. I had known about Wheeler because I had been homeless, like in a homeless situation on and off for like 13 years. So a caseworker brought me to Wheeler, like I said, for the winter contingency program. And after getting to Wheeler, I talked to someone on staff about getting into the Higher Ground program. And I don't really think that they thought I understand or comprehend it, because I was in that bad of a shape. I was so sick and despair. But after staying in there for like 9 days, I finally went into the Higher Ground program. What made me want to change my life was, while I was here, it was like Christmas time, and I saw these people, they were actually not waiting for the world to change, but they were changing the world. And that made me, want to stay, and seeing the integrity of the staff and the love that and the care that they gave people. That actually made me want to stay, because I wanted that. I wanted to change my life, and I wanted to be that. This has really changed my life. It's given me a purpose, for where I came from, without a purpose and just being destitute and not knowing where to go, or having any hope. I now know that, God is my hope, and these people have given me that, and they've given me a life. They've given me a life back with my family. I have a job now. I'm in transitioning out of the program into an apartment, and it's really, they've even given me some life skills, how I can deal with things on a, day-to-day basis, just life in general, where I didn't have that hope before. I didn't know how to do that before. I always do it, on my own self. And now I know I can rely on God, and that's what this program has really taught me: how to rely on God, how to go to God in prayer, how to fellowship with other Christians, just using God's word, because that's what it's for.